In today's video, let's talk about the way that you can fix the MyFitnessPal login errors and sync issues. So if you come across this issue where you're not being able to log in or having sync issues as well, the first thing that you can do is verify your credentials on the web. So just open up your web browser and search for MyFitnessPal and try to see if you can log in using the web. If this works, then the issue is with the mobile app. If this does not work, then it is likely a server issue. So in this case, you just need to wait out a couple of hours. But however, if this does work, and if it is the case with your mobile device or with the mobile app, then what you can do is first of all try to reinstall the application of MyFitnessPal. So just uninstall the app and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of glitches which might be causing the issue should be now fixed. Now apart from this, what you can also try out is try to see if this is the issue with your mobile device. Sometimes mobile phones have glitches, so in order to solve temporary glitches, you can just restart your device. So once you restart your device and also follow a couple of steps that I just showed you, you should be able to fix the login errors and sync issues in MyFitnessPal. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.